Hey, what's up? If you clicked on this video, you are interested in hiking essentials. I have one of my YouTube videos, same thumbnail that I used on this video, hiking essentials. Go find it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because there's going to be more to come. But my hiking essentials, I feel like, are a necessity, of course, and I really like what I have so far, but I'm going to be adding more to it. Some important items, a little bit more expensive, but reasonable. Everybody can get one. So stay tuned, check it out. This is the pack right here. Go check out that video to see the important stuff inside.